In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new service to your Booksy Biz Pro account on desktop. This task is very straightforward and enhances your business's service offerings, making it easy for clients to see what you have available. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Booksy Biz Pro account on your desktop. Make sure you have your login credentials handy because this is your initial step. If you encounter any issues with logging in, double check your credentials to ensure everything is entered correctly. Once you're successfully logged in, you will be greeted by the main dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for navigating the different features of Booksy. Now take a glance at the left sidebar on your screen. Here you will see a list of options. You're going to want to find and click on Services. This section is where you manage all of the services your business offers, so it's a critical part of ensuring your service menu is up to date and comprehensive. Upon clicking Services, you'll see your existing list of services and, more importantly, an option to add a new one. To proceed with adding a new service, look for the button or link that says Add Service. Clicking on this will open up a new window or panel where you'll input details for the new service you're offering. This is a vital step because clear and complete service details will help your clients understand exactly what you're offering. In this new window, you will need to enter all the necessary details about the service. Start with the name of the service. It's crucial to be both specific and descriptive here so that clients can quickly identify what the service entails. Next, set an appropriate price for your service. Consider your cost, time, and value to the clients when deciding on the amount. The duration of the service is equally important. Specify how long the service will take so clients can plan accordingly. You'll also want to assign staff to the service. This means selecting which of your team members can perform the service, allowing for better scheduling and resource management. Take your time on this step to ensure everything is filled out accurately. It'll make a huge difference in ensuring clients have a seamless booking experience. After you've entered all necessary information, the final step is to click on Save. This action confirms and stores all the details you've just entered into your system. Once saved, the new service will appear in your list, ready for clients to book, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new service to your Booksy Biz Pro account on desktop. Keeping your service offerings updated is essential for business growth and client satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.